Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Floresta project which is located in Kolur, Hyderabad, a project by Hallmark Builders, and today we'll be doing the project overview of this project. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before that, let's check out the surrounding of the project. So as you can see, this is the main site, this is the construction site of the project, and the construction work of the villas are going on over here. And we'll check the description of the project later on, but before that, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, where in Housey we connect you directly with builders because the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now starting with the project overview, so basically this project will be constructed on total 14 acres of land parcel coming with total 166 villas with each villa of ground plus 2 floors having 3 BHK plus maid room and with private theatre and 4 BHK maid room plus private theatre, premium world class villas. Now let me show you the actual land parcel where the construction work is going on. So this is the villas which have been constructed. And let me tell you the plus point, if you are looking for nearly positioned villas in this location, then this project suits you perfectly because the position of this project is October 2026. Now coming to the location part, so basically this project is located near ORR exit number 12 in Kolur, Hyderabad, and let me show you the location of the project. So this will be the internal road of the project which will take you towards the villa, and this road will connect you towards the service road in just 300 to 400 meters itself. Now let me tell you about the connectivity from this project. So due to the ORR connectivity, you can reach to the high-tech city in just 15 to 20 minutes and financial district in just 15 to 20 minutes and Kokapet in just 15 to 20 minutes from the project, and even the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport you can reach in 20 minutes. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project is coming up with world-class amenities like of clubhouse which includes swimming pool, gymnasium, indoor game. Then comes the eco-friendly features like EV charging and the private garden for each villa plus many more. Now coming to the super built up area, so basically this project is coming up with 3 BHK maid room plus and private theatre with 4 BHK maid room plus private theatre, and 3 BHK maid room plus private theatre is starting from 2700 to 3750 square feet super built up area, and 4 BHK maid room plus private theatre is starting from 4120 to 4605 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process, so project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the actual land parcel with the sample villa also. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential villa project that is Floresta located in Kolur, Hyderabad, a project by Hallmark Builders.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.